guys, it's been such a long time since I've seen all of you. I've got some life updates and just some things to catch you up on. I don't even know where to start. I moved out of the house that I was renting. I needed to have my own home, and I bought a house closer to town. I love it. It's a 2-bedroom ranch. It's kitchen, dining, huge living room. I'm going to give you a tour in a little bit. But between packing and moving and having pneumonia, like, I think I've had it all summer because I've had this awful cough all summer, and I just never took the time to just slow down, go to the doctors, have it checked out. So I think I had like walking pneumonia, and then a few weeks back I just coughed all night. I couldn't stop. It was just constant coughing. Went to the doctor, sure enough, she said, "You've had this for a while." So I went on a course of antibiotics, and they put me on amoxicillin, 3,000 milligrams a day for 5 days, and it knocked it out of me. I still have a little cough. I hear that like a lot of people have pneumonia this summer, in and out of the hospital with it, and then they think they got rid of it, and then it comes back. So I'm keeping an eye on myself. But anyways, don't mind my hair. I took a shower this morning, and the humidity right now is really high all over the country. It's crazy, but it's a nice cool morning though. I think it's like 60 something. It's supposed to go up to like 80s today. But anyway, yep, so I've been here now for what, two weeks? Okay, sorry about that, guys. My camera died. I ran out of memory. But anyways, so where was I? Yeah, packing, pneumonia, unpacking here. I still got a garage full of boxes that I gotta go through. I might just have a yard sale. Stuff that I'll probably never use, but I moved. And the dogs love it here. They got a nice big yard to run around in. I live in a nice neighborhood. The neighbors have all come over and like brought me homemade bread, a plant from my yard, introducing themselves, called me to see if I want to go to the movies. They're both, the two women that I met, they're 70, but they look like they're 60. Rochelle is the one that lives out back on the next street, and Cheryl lives across the street. Nicest ladies. And my friend Cindy lives 2 streets over. And so, I mean, I can literally drive to her house in like 1 minute. I could walk there in probably, 3 minutes. It's crazy. So we walk our dogs at night in the neighborhood. It's just, I love it. I love being in a neighborhood where there's like people, and they're all like over, I would say over 60 in this neighborhood. It's nice and quiet. I think I'm the only one with dogs. They must love me when they hear my little yipper. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna skip this, the rest of this. I will do a catch-up and tell you more things that have been going on. I got a funny story for you that involves the police. I got pulled over for speeding, but that's another story. Remind me in my next video to tell you the story. You're gonna laugh your butt off. So anyway, without further ado, let me do the tour. Okay, this is my spare room, and it's supposed to be a bedroom, but I have converted it into an office. This desk used to be in our other house when we lived in Emden, and my husband used this desk all the time. And so I have my computer on here, and this bureau would not fit in the bedroom. It goes with the bedroom set, so I just stuck it in here. But I don't know, I'm gonna get a bed for in here, and I may get rid of that. That desk ain't budging because it's huge and it weighs a ton, but I may change this around and get like a queen-size bed so my daughters can come. All right, this is the town of Madison. My neighbor across the street where I lived painted this picture, and it looks just like the main street in Madison. Alright guys, and this is my bedroom, and yes, I got a Dusty Rose bedspread because I can. coming out of my bedroom. This is my living room, and it's nice and big, guys. I love it. Here's my bathroom. And I got 2 new chairs and a couch. This chair's got an ottoman. And this is the couch. And I love it. This part over here is called a cuddle nook. Instead of a chaise coming out the side. That's what it looks like. And I love it at night. I just cuddle up there. And it's just so cozy.
Are you sad?
I gotta put some pictures on each side of that mirror on that wall. That mirror I got at TJ Maxx, it was like off-white, and I got some of that chalk paint, and I painted it. But I think some pictures on each side, just a little grouping of pictures. Yeah.
And what do you think? I'm down. You're down?
And I love my neighborhood. 2 nice big picture windows. Went to the curtain shop and got these grommet curtains that go down to the floor. And here's my fireplace. And I love that chair. It's a lazy boy, and it matches those pillows. But here's my fireplace, and it's got like a little wood thing on the side. I got that at TJ Maxx also. I love it. I did not like this fireplace at all. I was thinking, I gotta paint it, I hate it. But you know what? It works. Now that I put that up there, it kind of takes the curse off it. That's the door going into my garage. There's my dining room. Here's my little Calumet baking powder clock. I gotta put some pictures in here too. Everything just looks so plain. There's my light that I'm putting up over my dining room table to replace this light. But here's my dining room set. This is my kitchen, very 60s, outdated, but I'm getting a new countertop and backsplash. I'm going to paint the cabinets, putting new hardware on. I'm ripping up this pink indoor-outdoor carpet and ripping up the carpet in the living room. Although it's still, I mean, it's in good shape, the carpet, but I just, with the dogs and everything, I just, but look at that pink. Who would ever put pink or dusty rose in a kitchen? But, yeah, I love my house, guys. I just love it. And like I say, I have such a nice neighborhood. Yeah. So this is it. But I think when I put my light over the dining room table here, that Tiffany lamp, I think it's going to look really, really pretty. When I was at the curtain shop, I found these curtains, like a valance with a scalloped. And this is my backyard. I have one of those decks that you never have to replace. It's got a step down. And there's my shed. I love my house, guys. I love it. I got white appliances, another electric stove. Yep. Not crazy about electric, but yeah, and these cabinets. Yeah. But I love this little dining room set. It's got 2 leaves on the side, that drop leaf. But anyways, guys, this is my little home tour. This is the mirror. I bought some of that chalk paint, and it was the color of that thing over the mantle. And I wanted it to stand out against this wall, so I got some of the chalk paint. And let me just show you what it... Oh, look what my daughter bought me, a little diffuser. Isn't it cute? And you put essential oil and water. It changes color. You can put it on whatever color you want. Waverly, and it's the color of this is it plaid or mineral? I don't know. But anyways, it's like a brownish color. But this stuff, it goes on, and it's so easy to paint with. I got brownies, little homemade brownies. My friend Cindy gave me these 2 nesting tables. She had me over last night. Her and her husband had me over for seafood dinner. And we had lobster, steamed clams, haddock with stuff with crab meat. What else? Steamers with butter, lobster. It was just out of this world. It was so good. Let me just... My 2 trees out front. I just love my house, guys. I mean, it's still a work in process. I still get pictures to put up and stuff like that, but... So, anyways, I will talk to you soon. I'll be doing videos regularly now. You said that a lot in the other house, but I don't know what it was about that house. I just could not get into creativity. It was blocked. Something was blocked in that house. And I needed to get in my own place so I could grieve and go through the, finish my grieving process. And I just feel so at peace in this house. I just feel like I'm supposed to be here. And it's my house, and I paid for it myself. I love this house. I feel like this is where I'm supposed to be. And I'm getting new countertops, like I say, new flooring, and flooring in here. And I think I'm going to get like a driftwood color flooring, hardwood, and just get area rugs. But I love my sofa. I love it. And I love this little chair here. Look at that. I love the colors in it. There's a closet over there. But yeah, I got my Tiffany lamps in here, and it just feels homey. The only thing it's missing is Wendell, but he's with me in spirit. So I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you're having a great weekend. I'll be putting up videos regularly. So thanks for bearing with me, guys. And I will talk to you all soon. Mwah. Love you.